Hello everyone, we're working on the fifth exercise now. As you can see right here, we've got to write a program that uses a for loop to print the numbers 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, blah blah blah, all the way up to 89. Okay, I hope people can see a pattern here. And that is the difference between any two consecutive numbers is 3. Okay, so that's why I'll simply take care of I in range 20. Oops, not 20. So I want to start from 8. And then I want to go all the way up to 92, excluding 92. Yes. Okay, we're starting from 8. We'll be incrementing our number by 3, meaning we're gonna go all the way up to 92. Of course, we're excluding 92, right? So go for I in that, blah blah blah. And the next thing for me to do will be to simply display I. That's all, you guys. I want to display I. Again, there's no way that I could play around with this exercise further. Otherwise, I'll be repetitive, which is the exact thing that I hate the most. Thing is, I'm not quite sure whether I should include these brackets. These commas as well. This is it right here. I don't know if I should display these numbers horizontally. Okay, suppose we were told to do so. The only thing that will be required will be to just go okay, if we were required to include the commas as well, then I would have to do this. However, however, I would have to go all the way up to 89, right? And then right at the bottom, I would have to display what? I would have to display 89 and then remove that. Okay, as you can see, we're getting the exact thing that we expected. It's just that the reason why you have like these two numbers not in the same line as these ones here, it's because of my screen size. Okay, that's gonna be it, you guys. See you on the next solution.